Many first-time PC builders may overlook the benefits of having a smaller desktop footprint. Initially, many builders are drawn to the flashy appeal of RGB lighting in every component like myself. However, as people gain more experience, I notice that they often transition to a more minimalist aesthetic, such as an all-black setup or even ditching RGB entirely for a cleaner, simpler look. I always recommend a small form factor PC build to anyone asking where to start with building a PC. As a minimalist, I've often grappled with optimizing my desk space, particularly when it comes to my PC setup. The key advantages of a small form factor PC over a mid-tower are its compact size and portability. Having a case that accommodates all your components and cables without dominating your workspace is a game changer. In contrast, mid-tower cases often require either placing the case on the floor or investing in a larger desk to accommodate them. Additionally, small form factor cases generally offer a more refined aesthetic due to their use of high-quality materials like CNC machined aluminum. This is a stark contrast to mid-tower cases, which frequently feature plastic components to cut costs. However, the premium materials and smaller size of a small form factor case often come with a higher price tag. The biggest drawback for opting for a small form factor build is component compatibility. Due to the compact size of these cases, many of today's larger graphics cards may struggle to fit comfortably. However, there are some solid options available that can accommodate up to 3-slot GPUs, including 4080s and 4090 models. Another challenge with small form factor builds is heat dissipation, which can be a concern for the longevity of your computer parts, especially since most enthusiasts tend to pair these cases with rather high-end components. To address this, many manufacturers use innovative layouts such as the sandwich layout, where the GPU sits parallel to the motherboard, or the reverse reference layout found in popular cases like the DEN C4 or the newer Encase M2. These designs help optimize airflow and space efficiency. Most mid-tower cases are widely available with prices ranging from as low as €30 and going up to 400 or €500. The cost varies based on factors such as size, build materials, and color options. Their accessibility makes mid-tower cases a more budget-friendly and flexible choice for many users. In contrast, small form factor cases typically start at around €100 and can go up to €500 or €600 too, or more. The entry cost for a small form factor build is noticeably higher, partially due to the limited availability of these cases. Additionally, components like custom cables, special motherboards like a mini ITX, and compact power supplies tend to be more expensive compared to their mid-tower equivalents.